Today's video breaks down the best and most reliable way to withdraw money from Lunar, ensuring your cash reaches your bank quickly, safely, and without unnecessary delays. The process is simple, but understanding each step helps you avoid failed withdrawals, extended processing times, or unnecessary fees. Start by opening the Lunar app and confirming that your available balance is fully settled. Pending or uncleared funds won't move, so verify that the amount you want to withdraw is marked as available. Once that's confirmed, navigate to the Transfer or Withdraw section inside your dashboard. Lunar links directly to your bank account, so you won't need any additional authentication beyond your regular security checks within the app. Choose the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the figure in dollars, review it carefully, and double-check that your connected bank account details are correct. Even a minor mistake in account number or bank selection will block the transfer. Lunar typically processes withdrawals instantly or within a few minutes, but high traffic periods may stretch it slightly longer. Still, this direct withdrawal method remains the fastest option. Keep your app updated. Many failed or delayed withdrawals come from outdated versions, which can interfere with processing. Also ensure your bank's mobile app or online banking is functioning normally, because sometimes the delay is on the receiving bank's end. If you're withdrawing larger amounts, break them into 2 smaller transfers when possible. This reduces the risk of a flagged transaction and helps funds clear faster on the bank side. Lunar does not charge withdrawal fees for standard bank transfers, so splitting amounts won't cost you anything. Always confirm receipt by checking your bank balance immediately after the transfer clears. For most users, this simple, direct approach is the most efficient and secure way to move money out of Lunar without complications.